Yeah, oh, yeah, I know they sound like it. I thought you were going somewhere else. But...
No, so you know. You can see, what is that? The boathouse?
Yeah, I think that's the boathouse.
The boathouse over there?
Maybe
It's
not.
actually, I spoke too soon. I was going to say it's actually rather nice outside. It's just really windy. They're still cleaning out the pool. They've been working on that for hours. And this is still got debris. And there's some guests that are out walking around. But some branches everywhere. And then there was a tree, I think Ray said over here, that like broke off. It snapped. Yeah, someone pulled out in the bushes over here. One of the lifeguards, they pulled out the no diving sign that got ripped off. That's funny.
We are raffling off a game and a TV. So if you're interested, make sure you get up here on the stage and our greeter. Make sure you have all that information filled out and then we'll be handing it to us.
Hi, Goofy! Hi! We survived! Yay! High five! Hi, Goofy! What I like is the characters for the hurricane. Pretty much all of their rules kind of go out the window and they just have to play with the guests and have a good time. It's funny because the family friends we're staying with, my big brother Ray, he was joking around about, he's like, we may do this every year. We may come down whenever there's a hurricane every year. And I was like, you know what? I may join you because like I'm absolutely loving this so much. Like I've been enjoying myself. Will they have the menu back up? We're in the arcade. It's very loud. This is where everybody probably went. As soon as they could leave their rooms, they were probably like, arcade! Oh, the tweez fell down. Or tipping over. The branches are all over the ground. Not good for flop weather. That was something that I was like, as I was getting my flip-flops last night before we left, I was like, I know flip-flops are good for rainy weather, but it may not be good for debris weather.
Tour Gator.
Tour Gator. It's been bent. Ooh, that's gonna need to be replaced. That's a safety hazard. Oh my god, that's like hard plastic too. There's nobody in there. I think I can kind of hear the music, but just barely. That's probably because it's automated. There's nobody there.
That goes, wow.
And thus ends our adventure at Saratoga Springs. Let's go home and check out the damage of our own apartment. Jared's nervous about the apartment. He's been nervous about it since last night, really.
I'm not nervous about it, really. I just want to check it, see it, and whether it is or not, we'll deal with it. But the not knowing it, I don't like.
She was fine until literally I turned to look at her. As soon as I reached back for her, she started meowing just now. So I guess the key with you, Kiki, is to not pay attention to you.
It's the same key as me.
Pretty kitty. Alright, so we've just settled in to our apartment. We got everything. We checked all the windows and the rooms and the doors and the corners and everything. Everything is absolutely fine. We checked the clocks and the ice and everything, and we didn't lose any power, which is great. Yeah, everything is fine. We've kind of more or less reset, like taking things back outside and stuff like that. We still have to go grocery shopping, which I've discovered that I do have enough food to go to work tomorrow. I have enough like snacks and things. So we're gonna go grocery shopping after I get off work tomorrow. And Kiki's happy to be home. She got out of her kennel, looked around, and then collapsed. She's been there ever since. There is a lot of shingles and like a ton of just like debris from the palm trees, and there's like 1 or 2 trees where the limbs were like kind of in the way when Jared and I were walking in. Apologize for my hair. I still have not taken a shower in the last 24 hours, so that I'm gonna do immediately after I finish this. Also, sorry you didn't get a vlog on Monday. You probably aren't gonna even get one on Tuesday because I still have a lot of editing to do. So yeah, oh, also Ray, the gentleman of the family, he is going to be marrying Jared and I. He's a longtime family friend of ours. He's like a brother to me, and he gave us some marital counseling while we were there, so that was fun. Is it raining? Anyway, I'm gonna take a shower now, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. There should be a blog post that I posted, like a little diary, play-by-play, and with like pictures and things. And yeah, another hurricane in the books. Say goodbye, Jared.
Bye, Jared.